Unlocking the perfect blend of nutrition and convenience is a dream for many of us. So if you've been wondering, is Huel worth it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into everything that you need to know about this revolutionary meal replacement, exploring its benefits, potential drawbacks, and whether it's the right choice for you. Also, if you haven't tried Huel yet, you can use my link down below to get $15 off your first order. Understanding what Huel is. Huel is more than just a meal replacement. It represents a lifestyle shift for those who prioritize balanced, plant-based, and convenient nutrition. The brand prides itself on offering complete nutrition in an easy-to-prepare format. Each serving is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients, ensuring your body gets what it needs to function properly. From busy professionals juggling packed schedules to fitness enthusiasts striving to meet their health goals, Huel positions itself as a versatile ally. What sets Huel apart is its emphasis on sustainability and simplicity. With plant-based ingredients like oats, flaxseed, and pea protein, Huel caters to a wide range of dietary preferences while minimizing environmental impacts. Whether you're rushing out the door looking for a quick post-workout meal or seeking a solution for consistent nutrition, Huel offers a practical option. However, the big question remains, does it live up to the hype? While many users praise its convenience and nutritional profile, others question whether it truly justifies the cost. In this guide, we'll explore Huel's benefits, drawbacks, and overall value to help you decide if it's worth incorporating into your lifestyle. The nutritional benefits of Huel. So at its core, Huel is designed to provide complete nutrition, offering a carefully balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and fiber in every single one of its servings. This thoughtful formulation ensures your body gets the essential macronutrients it needs to thrive. What truly sets Huel apart is its commitment to using natural, plant-based ingredients such as oats, flaxseed, and pea protein, which makes it suitable for a variety of dietary preferences, including vegan and vegetarian lifestyles. And for individuals who track their macronutrients or are committed to maintaining a healthy diet or a certain diet, Huel can be a game changer. Its precise nutritional content eliminates the guesswork, providing a reliable option for those managing specific health or fitness goals. Additionally, the inclusion of essential vitamins and minerals transforms Huel into an all-in-one nutritional solution, significantly reducing the need for additional supplements. And beyond practicality, Huel is an excellent option for those seeking clean, minimally processed nutrition. Its high protein content supports muscle repair and growth, while the fiber aids digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. For busy individuals, athletes, or those looking for an eco-conscious, plant-based alternative to traditional meals, Huel offers a smart and effective way to nourish the body without compromising on health or convenience. Convenience redefined. In today's fast-paced world, time is one of the most valuable assets, and Huel excels at saving it. Imagine bypassing the daily grind of meal prep, cooking, and cleaning while still enjoying a nutritionally balanced meal. Whether you're rushing to the office, squeezing in a gym session, or traveling between commitments, Huel is designed to integrate seamlessly into your lifestyle. Its quick and simple preparation, just mixed with water or milk, makes it an ideal option for those with very busy schedules. However, convenience isn't just about speed, it's also about adaptability. Huel offers a diverse range of flavors and formats, from versatile powders to ready-to-drink options. This variety allows users to customize their meals to suit individual tastes while maintaining their nutritional goals. The flexibility of Huel extends to its ability to be personalized with additional ingredients like fruits, nut butter, or coffee. For anyone looking to simplify their routine without compromising on health, Huel offers a practical time-saving solution that aligns with modern demands for both efficiency and quality nutrition. The taste factor. Is it palatable? Taste is a highly subjective experience, and Huel's flavors have sparked mixed reactions among users. While some appreciate its mild and neutral profile, others feels it falls short of expectations. To cater to diverse preferences, Huel offers a variety of flavors including vanilla, chocolate, and salted caramel. For those who enjoy a more customizable experience, unflavored versions are available as well, allowing users to experiment with their own flavor combinations. Additionally, Huel provides flavor boosts that can be added to the base shake for a personalized touch. So if you're considering Huel, it's worth taking the time to explore the different options and maybe even get creative with the recipes. Many users enhance the taste by blending Huel with fruits like bananas or berries, adding a splash of coffee for a caffeine kick, or incorporating nut butter for extra creaminess and flavor. These additions can transform Huel into a more enjoyable and satisfying meal experience. Although Huel's taste might not rival that of a gourmet meal, its neutral and adaptable profile makes it a versatile choice for those seeking convenience without sacrificing nutrition. Whether you prefer to keep it simple or enjoy experimenting, Huel's flavors are designed to be functional and easily tailored to your liking. Is Huel cost effective? One of the biggest questions when considering Huel is whether it's worth the price. At a glance, Huel might seem expensive compared to traditional meals. However, when you break it down to cost per meal, it's often more affordable than dining out or purchasing premium groceries. So for those of us who value convenience and nutrition, the price is a reasonable trade-off. Huel's long shelf life minimizes waste, adding to its overall value. If you're on a tight budget, it's still worth calculating whether replacing some of your meals with Huel aligns with your financial goals. Environmental and ethical considerations. Huel prides itself on being environmentally conscious, its ingredients and sustainability sourced, and the company promotes a plant-based diet, which has a lower environmental impact than animal-based alternatives. Huel's recyclable packaging and commitment to reducing food waste also appeals to eco-conscious consumers. For those seeking to align their lifestyle with their ethical values, Huel offers a way to reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining a healthy diet. It's a small step towards sustainability that can make a really big difference in the end. Who is Huel best suited for? Huel is ideal for anyone seeking a quick, nutritious meal option. Busy professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals looking to manage their weight are some of Huel's biggest advocates. It's also a great choice for those with specific dietary needs like vegans or those with lactose intolerance, thanks to its allergen-friendly formula. However, still remember, it's not the best fit for everyone, just like anything. If you prefer traditional meals or enjoy cooking, Huel could feel restrictive. Similarly, those with certain medical conditions or unique nutritional needs should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating meal replacements like Huel into their diet. The potential drawbacks of Huel. As we know, no product is perfect, and Huel's no exception. While it offers numerous benefits, there are some considerations to keep in the back of your mind. The reliance of liquid meals might not appeal to those who enjoy the sensory experience of eating the solid food. Additionally, some users report digestive discomfort when first using Huel, like due to its high fiber content more than likely. There's also the question of sustainability in personal use. Huel's convenience is undeniable. Relying solely on meal replacements can lead to momentary or nutritional gaps if not managed carefully. A balanced diet that includes a variety of foods remains essential. How to get the most out of Huel? To maximize Huel's benefits, start by integrating it into your routine gradually. Replace 1 or 2 meals per day instead of going all the way in. Experiment with recipes and flavors to keep your meals interesting and satisfying to you. And remember, Huel isn't just a product. It's a tool to support your lifestyle. Pairing Huel with whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can also enhance its nutritional profile. This hybrid approach allows you to enjoy the best of both worlds, convenience and variety, while maintaining a balanced diet. So, is Huel really worth it? Well, the answer depends on your goals, lifestyle, and preferences. For those seeking a convenient, nutritionally complete, and eco-friendly meal solution, Huel can be a fantastic addition to your routine. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution though, but for many, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. So whether you're looking to save time, achieve specific fitness goals, or embrace a sustainable diet, Huel offers a practical way to meet those needs. It's a personal decision, but one thing's for sure, Huel has revolutionized the concept of meal replacements and continues to inspire users worldwide. So there you have it, everything you need to know to answer the question, is Huel really worth it? By weighing its benefits, drawbacks, and versatility, you can decide if it's the right fit for your lifestyle. And have you tried Huel? Also, if you haven't tried Huel yet, go ahead and use my link below to get $15 off your first order. But yeah, share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews on this channel in the future. And with all that said, I hope y'all have a good day and peace out.